Hi kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about smelling good all day, delicious, juicy and edible. I have some amazing fun tips, so let's begin. And if you're just here for body mist, perfume recommendations, then I will leave the timestamp below in my comment section. You can skip to that. But I would encourage you to watch the whole video because I have some really good tips. Smelling good ritual starts right from your shower routine. So I'm gonna be recommending some ridiculously smelling good shower products. Then I will share some of my favorite body mist, perfumes, colognes, and how to layer all of it to keep you smelling good all day and delicious for this summer. And here's my most favorite tip for smelling good all day: layer products which smell closer to each other. If you want to smell like roses, go for rose body wash, rose body lotion and rose fragrance. Similarly, if you want to go for the beach vibe, go for the sea salt body lotion, sea salt body wash and sea salt fragrance. Number one is choose body washes that smell really good and their fragrance lasts longer on your body. For that, I really like the Body Shop British Rose Shower Gel. It has been my favorite and I love the rose fragrance, especially in the summertime. I also really like the Find Your Happy Place Sun-Kissed Ocean Waves Shower Gel. It has the notes of sea salt and ocean. It smells so beachy to me. It's a new favorite for me. And then I also really like the Bath & Body Works body washes. I have talked about it. This one is Butterfly Bubble Bath Shower Gel. It makes a lot of bubbles in the shower and smells really delicious. Then my next smelling good ritual is using Dove body scrubs. These not only give you glowing skin and remove the dead skin cells, but smell really clean and fresh. For the summertime, I love their mango variant and their kiwi variant. These smell so clean and fresh. Highly recommend. I always come out of my shower looking good and smelling good. Thanks to these babies, highly recommend. Next smelling good ritual is body lotion. So here's a tip: as soon as you come out of shower, slap your body with lots of body lotion that smells really good on the damp skin. It not only moisturizes your skin deeply, but it also makes the fragrance last longer on your body as it is applied on the moist skin. So this one is by Sol de Janeiro Bom Dia Bright Body Cream. I love how good it smells, but the fragrance lasts really long on my body. So I love it for that. And if you want to try something different, I would recommend the Find Your Happy Place Sun-Kissed Ocean Waves Body Lotion. It smells like sea salt, beach waves, ocean breeze. It's just a vibe, you guys. And I think if you're a guy watching this, I would recommend you to go for this one. Also, the Muru Muru Butter and Rose Body Lotion by Love Beauty and Planet smells so good, especially for the summertime. I usually don't like rose fragrances, but this one is so classy and does not give me a headache. It's not too sweet. It's very, very classy. This one is my favorite. If you want to keep smelling good 24/7, then you need to learn the art of layering. After using my body lotions, I go for the body oils. Don't just stop at body lotions. Layer it with body oils. I never bothered to use body oils until I realized how amazing they are. Keep your skin glowing, moisturized, but also smelling good all day. Whenever I come out of my shower, I always slap my body with lots of body oils. My favorite one is by Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes. I do not like vanilla sweet fragrances, but this one is so classy and smells really delicious, edible. After this, I don't even feel the need to apply body mist, perfumes, etc. Quick tip: spray your perfume body mist right after you apply your body lotions, because perfumes and body mist last longer on moisturized skin. So I'm starting with these roll-ons for your armpits. I apply these every day as soon as I come out of my shower. These are alcohol free, so gentle on your armpits because the skin here is really sensitive. So alcohol free products does not burn your skin. And Nivea roll-ons keep my my armpits smelling fresh and clean for whole day. That's why I love these, and so affordable. Everyone should have one of these. It also keep my armpits sweat free for whole day. These are the body mists I swear by. So this one is by Fiamma, Happy Naturals Plum Blossom and Ylang Mist. This smells like jasmine flowers, Raat Ki Rani, with plum and pear notes at the top, with base notes of citrus and violet. It's like summer in a bottle. It smells so fresh, fruity, floral, but not too sweet. It's like the perfect balance of a summer fragrance, and it's very affordable as well. So I highly recommend this one if you haven't tried it. I also love the Bath & Body Works Dark Kiss Body Mist. This one smells so mysterious and sexy. Let me spray it and then explain the fragrance to you guys. It's not too overpowering, but smells like an evening fragrance. Let me read the notes for you guys. It has black raspberry, burgundy rose, bergamot incense, dark vanilla bean, and plum musk. So it's a really delicious mist. If you're bored with your floral, fruity mist, this one is for you. It smells so mysterious and just like, I love this fragrance. It smells exactly how I'm looking right now. I don't know how to explain it better. Like, so good. I have tried many Bath & Body Works mists, so if you want to watch the whole video, I do have a video. I will link it in my description box on all the body mists that I've tried. But currently I've been loving the Dark Kiss, and other one that I want to recommend is the Thousand Wishes. This one is also one of my favorites. As you can see, I've finished quite a lot of it. I love the fragrance of it. I love how it smells on me. It's so light and cloudy, but I just feel, as compared to the body creams I've tried from the same range, Thousand Wishes, I feel the fragrance is a little subtle and lighter as compared to the cream. But Dark Kiss lasts really long on the body, and also the Happy Naturals. And lastly, I have the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes Fragrance Mist, and this is coming from someone who doesn't like vanilla fragrances, but their vanilla range is to die for. Also their Hawaiian Rumba. Hawaiian Rumba is more of like a summery vibe, but this one is classy vanilla fragrance. Clean and warm vanilla and nothing else. Smells so delicious. I love to layer it with the Vanilla Vibes body oil. Both of these together last really long on my body. The vanilla range is a very classy girl vibe. You cannot go wrong with it, and you can wear it every day, like to your work, office, to your school, college, wherever you go. Like, it's not overpowering too much into your face, but it's very subtle, very classy. Now let's talk about perfumes. If you can invest more, then go for EDPs or the Parfums, which last the longest as compared to the fragrance mist. I do have a dedicated video on my favorite perfumes of all time. I will link it here for you guys, also in my description box. Do check that out after watching this video. I'm gonna start with my favorite perfume of all time. It's the YSL Libre or Libre. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but you can get it for 1800 rupees, the small 10 ml bottle of it, if you want to try it, and then go for the 50 ml bottle or 100 ml. Okay, so I'm gonna read the notes from their website, and then I will explain the fragrance in my own way. And you guys really like the way I explain fragrances, maybe that's why I'm doing this video. So it has lavender essence from France, combines with the sensuality of Moroccan orange blossom and daring notes of musk, accord, and vanilla for a unique long-lasting scent. So let's spray it and explain the fragrance to you guys. This one starts with the lavender notes and then settles into the powdery white flowers fragrance. It's so fun, sexy, yet subtle and classy. And I don't think any girl would be like, I don't like how it smells. I love how delicate it is. I'm enchanted by this fragrance, and I also love the bottle of it. Like, it's so freaking beautiful. Next is Light Blue Intense by Dolce & Gabbana. This one is a very clean and fresh fragrance. Let me explain the notes to you guys. So it has top notes of grapefruit, mandarin orange, middle notes of seawater and juniper, and base notes of musk, amberwood. Let me spray it and then explain the fragrance to you guys. I actually got it for my father for his retirement, but I personally love to use it here and there whenever I want to smell like beaches, ocean breeze. It's not floral or fruity. It smells literally like ocean. See, I love to layer it with Find a Happy Place Sun-Kissed Ocean Waves body lotion, body wash, and this baby. Also, the Good Girl perfume by Carolina Herrera has a mini bottle of it, so you can try it. It's for 1500 rupees. Similarly, the YSL Libre has a mini bottle of it. You can go for both of these, you guys. These are so good, delicious. I have explained it in my perfumes video, so you can go and watch that video. But to me, it smells like coffee, tonka beans, vanilla, like very warm and rich, yet very girly. I just love how it dries down on me, so love this one. And then for colognes, I love the Jo Malone cologne, especially their Peony Blush Suede cologne and also their English Pear and Freesia cologne. Both of these are so affordable. I think I got one bottle for 1500, so you can go for these mini 15 ml bottles, and these are so good. One quick tip: if you want your hair to smell really good, what I do actually spray my perfumes on the brush and then brush my hair, so my hair also smell good whole day. I also really like using this Queray's lavender shampoo bar. I have so many perfume, body mist, body lotion, but right now I'm just smelling lavender. It's so good and delicious. Next are some tips to keep your breath smelling good all day. You can choose some mint leaves to keep your breath minty fresh. Also, my dad likes to use elaichi whenever he's traveling, and it smells really good. You can also use mouthwashes. I will leave the one that I personally like to use. Now, some tips to keep your clothes smelling good all day. I like to keep dried lavender flowers in my closet where I keep my clothes. I also add few drops of essential oils, lavender essential oil or whichever essential oil you like, into my wash, and my clothes smell really good. And in summertime, avoid wearing polyester, wear cotton, which is more easy breezy. And yes, kitties, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video because I personally really enjoyed making this video. I love smelling good, smelling like luxury. You don't have to spend a lot of money to smell good. I know perfumes are really expensive, but you can layer the body lotion, body wash with your fragrance mist, and it will keep you smelling good all day long. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, kitties.